Hello guys, how to fix if your Windows keep checking for updates on your Windows 11 and 10 and you try to update your Windows PC, and to do so right click on the start button, choose settings, and from the left side choose Windows Update, and checking for updates is continuously checking and it's not changed, not so available updates. And to fix this issue on your system, the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run command box. You may press win plus r shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type services.msc to launch services windows on your system. And in services windows, look for Windows Update services, scroll down and go to Windows Update services. Simply right click on it and choose a stop, and after few seconds again right click on it and choose start. So sometimes stop and again restart may fix this issue. And also apply a double click on it and under the startup type choose automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. And now check whether your Windows update keeps checking for updates is still showing or not. Go to settings and go to Windows Update and check is still checking for updates for a long time. So go to the next fixes, and the next one is again right click on the start button and choose sign out or restart your system. Sometimes restarting your system may fix various issues. And the next one is go to this PC, go to C drive and go to Windows. Here look for software distribution folder. Apply a double click on it and go to download section and remove all files and folders from downloaded folder under software distribution folder. Remove it, continue or skip, and remove all files and folders in software distribution folder. Thereafter check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and go to settings again under system settings. From the right side go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Detecting problems, troubleshooter windows will detect your issues and try to fix them. So wait for some times, it will take few minutes. So resolving problems now start, and after that again go to settings page and check your issue. Go to Windows Update and you can see updates available to download will appear. Keeps checking for updates is no more and your problem is definitely resolved. So download and install Windows latest update from here. That's all.